One of the signs of the end of the world is currently happening in Dubai. Yes, you heard correctly. This April 16th, 2024, the city of Dubai woke up to extreme rain and flooding. You can see in these clips the damage it did and how unimaginable it is. Before continuing, please share this video by copying the link or whatever you want to do, so that more Muslims can know that indeed the end of the world is very near. So share this video for the sake of Allah, so that it can help other people. So we all know that Dubai is a city known for being extremely hot, and there is very little rain during the year. But this April 16th, the rain that the city receives throughout the year was received in one night. And this is one of the signs of the end of the world, because the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The hour will only begin when the land of the Arabs becomes meadows and rivers again." And this is what is happening. And it's not just that. You must have seen greenery in the mountains of Mecca in Saudi Arabia a few months ago. It's also one of the signs of the end of the world. So certainly, my brothers and sisters, the end of the world is very close, we can't even imagine. And do you know that the Prophet said that whoever hears my words, the hadiths, and transmits it to others, that Allah puts light on his face, so share the words of the Prophet. I pray that Allah forgives us all before death. Say Ameen in the comments.